Welcome to another lesson from Juice WRLD's new album, Legends Never Die. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Bad Energy. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe because I have more songs from this album coming up. Enjoy! So for this song, you're going to start by placing your middle finger on the 7th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the D string. And you're going to pluck the A string once, then the D string once, then the A string twice. Then you're going to lift your pinky finger and place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, pluck it once, then back to the A string once. Then you're going to lift your ring finger and place your pointer finger on the 5th fret of the D string and pluck that once. Then back to the A string once, before we move to the 5th fret of the A string with our middle finger. Then you're going to place your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D string and pluck that once. Back to the A string twice. Ring finger, 5th fret D string, and pluck that once. Back to the A string once. Then pointer finger, 4th fret D string, and pluck that once. Back to the A string. Then we're going to move to the 3rd fret of the A string with our pointer finger, and pluck that once. Then 5th fret D string with your pinky finger, pluck that once. Back to the A string twice. 4th fret G string with your ring finger, back to the A string once, 5th fret B string, and then 3rd fret A string twice, and then do it all over again. So then we're going to do that whole thing again, except once we get to the 3rd fret of the A string, we're going to do the first line that we learned once. But then the second time, we're going to go 3rd fret A string, 5th fret D string once, back to the A string twice, and then 3rd fret B string once, A string once, and then 4th fret G string once. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Bad Energy. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section, and subscribe for more lessons from this album. Thanks.